Hello everyone, you are warmly welcome to Mama Italy TV. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly please subscribe and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be the first person to see it, because I have a lot of stuff to teach you, to empower you to do it as business, to get cool cash for yourself or to do it for your family. Please, today I'll be teaching you how to make mosquito repellent spray for your skin. This is for your skin, okay? And I will use, these are the chemicals that I will use. I will use rosemary oil, citronella oil, lavender oil, polysorbate, vinegar, alcohol, water, and preservative. Please kindly watch to the end of the video so that you know the measurements that I use to produce this homemade mosquito repellent spray. Now let's get started. I have combined all my oils together. So that is my rosemary oil. I use 5 ml, citronella oil 5 ml, lavender oil 5 ml, then polysorbate 5 ml. So that is my oil. I have combined them together. So I have put it in my bowl. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you'll be the first person to see it. Kindly please like my video if you like what you are saying. You can also contact me for the chemicals to produce. I do delivery nationwide on 0273282966. So I will also add in my alcohol, that is 50 ml. So I have here my alcohol. I'll give it a good stir. So now the next chemical to add is my water. Okay, we are using 1 liter of water, and preservative, you have to preserve it. We are using 5 ml of preservative. I have added my preservative to my 1 liter water, and also I have added my 5 ml of white vinegar to it already. So I'll pour in my water together with my preservative and my white vinegar. As I said, this is mosquito repellent spray for your skin. This is not for your room. So you spray it at the exposed area, your hands, your legs, your ears, anywhere that is exposed. And this is natural with no effect. This is natural, skin friendly. Okay, so kindly please subscribe and like my video for me. So as you can see, I've poured in my water. Okay, this is, trust me, this is very, very effective. I can spray this on my skin, and for some hours the mosquitoes will run away. I will not even hear from them again. Trust me, it works and natural. You can do for commercial purposes, sell and get good cash for yourself. You can as well do this for your family. Okay, both kids and adults can use it. Okay, so you give it a good stir. I'm already smelling the scent, which repels the mosquitoes away. You can leave it like this or add a little bit of color to enhance it, okay, to make it more attractive. You can leave it like this. So in this case, I will add a little blue color, just a little, and stir. So after mixing it together, you pour it inside your spray bottle. Okay, your spray bottle, and you start using it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to Mama Itsy TV. Click on the notification bell, like my video if you like it, so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be the first person to say it. Trust me, I have a lot of stuff to teach you at home, a lot of stuff, detergents, cosmetics, creams, a whole lot of stuff. So click on it. So just a little color, okay, just a little color, just a little color. So I'm stirring it. You see? So our homemade mosquito repellent spray is ready. Thank you for watching. See you once again. Thank you so much. See you another time.